Hey there, fellow travelers. Today we're taking a virtual trip to the stunning Meliá Cayo Santa María, a tropical paradise nestled on the pristine shores of Cayo Santa María, Cuba. This 5-star all-inclusive resort is the perfect escape for those seeking sun, sand, and a touch of Caribbean magic. So grab your imaginary mojito and let's dive into what makes this place so special. First up, let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after a long day of beach lounging and cocktail sipping. The Meliá Cayo Santa María offers a range of room options to suit every traveler's needs. Picture yourself in a classic room, a cozy 41 square meter space decked out in tropical decor that'll make you feel like you're living in a postcard. These rooms come with either a king-size bed or twin beds, perfect for stretching out and dreaming of your next beach adventure. And the best part? You'll have your own private balcony or terrace to soak in those garden or pool views. Now, if you're anything like me and can't get enough of that ocean breeze, you might want to upgrade to a classic sea view room. These second-floor beauties offer breathtaking ocean vistas that'll have you pinching yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. Plus, with daily minibar refills, you'll never be far from a refreshing beverage. For those looking to live it up in style, the premium rooms offer some extra perks like priority check-in and check-out. And if you're staying for a week or more, you'll even get a fancy lobster dinner included. Talk about living like royalty. But wait, there's more. If you really want to splurge, the grand suites are where it's at. We're talking 80 square meters of pure luxury, complete with a hallway, lounge area, and not one, but 2 bathrooms and balconies. It's like having your own little tropical apartment, with the added bonus of jaw-dropping oceanfront views. No matter which room you choose, you'll be treated to all the essentials like air conditioning, a must in that Caribbean heat, a safe deposit box for your valuables, and a hairdryer for those beachy waves. And don't worry about bringing the whole family. Most rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, making it perfect for that long-awaited family getaway. Now, let's talk about something that's always on my mind when I travel. Food. The Meliá Cayo Santa María doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. Their main restaurant serves up a Mediterranean buffet that'll have your taste buds doing the salsa. Imagine piling your plate high with fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and Cuban specialties. It's a feast fit for a Caribbean king or queen. But that's not all, folks. If you're in the mood for something a little different, you can spice things up at the Asian restaurant or get a taste of local flavors at the Creole cuisine spot. And let's not forget about the liquid refreshments. The resort boasts a swim-up pool bar that's perfect for those lazy afternoons when you just can't be bothered to leave the water. Picture yourself perched on an underwater stool, sipping on a piña colada while the warm Cuban sun kisses your shoulders. Now that's what I call vacation goals. If you prefer to keep your feet dry, there's also a lobby bar where you can enjoy a pre-dinner cocktail or a nightcap before heading to bed. While the exact menus and operating hours aren't listed online, they like to keep us on our toes. You can bet your bottom dollar that the all-inclusive beverage service will keep your glass full from sunrise to sunset. Speaking of sunshine, let's dive into the pool and beach situation at Meliá Cayo Santa María. This place is a water lover's dream come true. The resort boasts not 1 but 2 swimming pools that'll have you feeling like a mermaid or merman in no time. The main pool is where all the action happens, complete with that swim-up bar I mentioned earlier. It's the perfect spot for a refreshing dip or to show off your synchronized swimming skills. No judgment here. If you're looking for a more laid-back vibe, there's a secondary leisure pool where you can float the day away without a care in the world. But let's be real, the true star of the show is that white sand beach. Picture pristine shores stretching as far as the eye can see, with crystal clear waters that look like they've been photoshopped, except they're 100% real. While the resort doesn't explicitly list all the water sports available, you can bet your bottom sand dollar that there'll be plenty of non-motorized activities to keep you entertained. Whether you're into paddleboarding, kayaking, or just good old-fashioned sandcastle building, this beach has got you covered. And don't worry about lugging your beach gear around. The resort's got you covered with towel stations and poolside cocktail service. Imagine lounging on a comfy sunbed, Mai Tai in hand, while friendly staff members ensure you're living your best beach life. It's like having your own personal cabana boy, minus the awkward small talk. Now, let's talk about keeping busy when you're not working on your tan. The Meliá Cayo Santa María is all about that wellness life, and they've got the facilities to prove it. The YHI Spa is the place to be if you want to take relaxation to the next level. While they're keeping their treatment menu under wraps online, gotta maintain some mystery, right? You can bet your bottom peso that they offer a range of massages and facial therapies that'll have you feeling more zen than a Buddhist monk on vacation. For those who like to keep active even on holiday, you overachievers you, there's a fitness center equipped with all the basics. We're talking cardio machines and weight equipment that'll help you work off all those all-inclusive cocktails. And if you're feeling extra energetic, why not take your workout to the beach? A jog along the shoreline at sunset is not only great exercise, but also incredibly Instagram-worthy, just saying. But wait, there's more. The resort offers a range of activities to keep you entertained from dawn to dusk. While they're a bit coy about the specifics online, you can expect the usual suspects like beach volleyball, aqua aerobics, and maybe even some salsa lessons to get you moving those hips like a true Cuban. And let's not forget about the evening entertainment. Although some guests have mentioned it can be a bit repetitive, so maybe bring your own party hat, just in case. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll be pleased to know that Meliá Cayo Santa María has got your back. The resort features a kids club with scheduled activities that'll keep the youngsters entertained while you sneak off for that much-needed spa treatment or romantic beachside stroll. From arts and crafts to mini discos, your kiddos will be having so much fun, they might forget you exist. Just kidding, maybe. And speaking of fun, let's not forget about the surrounding area. While Cayo Santa Maria might feel like its own little world, there's plenty to explore beyond the resort's borders. History buffs will love a day trip to Remedios, a charming colonial town about 60 kilometers away. It's like stepping back in time, minus the need for a flux capacitor. And for those who can't get enough of that Caribbean sea life, Cayo Las Brujas is just a hop, skip, and a jump away, offering some fantastic marine attractions. Now, let's get down to brass tacks and talk about what really makes Meliá Cayo Santa María stand out from the crowd. First off, the resort's design is inspired by a traditional Caribbean village, giving you that authentic island feel without skimping on the luxury. The tropical landscaping is so on point, you'll half expect to see a parrot perched on your balcony. Spoiler alert, there probably won't be, but a girl can dream. One of the biggest selling points of this resort is its emphasis on family-friendly amenities, coupled with top-notch wellness services. It's like they've managed to create a perfect balance between let's party and let's zen out. A feat that's harder to pull off than a successful limbo contest after a few too many piña coladas. The resort also prides itself on its intimate scale compared to some of the mega resorts you might find elsewhere in Cuba. This means you're less likely to get lost on your way back from the beach, although after a few cocktails, all bets are off, and more likely to receive personalized service that'll make you feel like a VIP. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.